Okay, and there is a handle to get in and out of the camper, which is real nice. This is your information right here. I'm not going to open, well, I guess I could show you the door. I didn't want to. It has a hook down here. It's hooked in there to release it. And there's the lock on the door, a coated lock. And of course it does not work. It didn't work when we bought it. So unfortunate for that. But of course you can replace the lock. Underneath here is your storage. Goes all the way to the other side. This is the front of the camper. You have your 2 tanks, your tongue, and your battery. And I'm afraid I don't know all the details. I think it is electric. And then your jacks right down there, I believe, are manual. Here's your weight information. I don't know if you'll be able to read that now, but I have it written on my listing. My ponies are wanting to see what I'm doing. Okay, here again, on this side, that's your slide. That's some of your outside. I believe that's air conditioner vent. I'm not sure what that cable is. The men folk take care of all that kind of stuff. Okay, here is your slide. It's out. And all your connectors are right here. And one of the things that we really like about this camper is it has that little rack that comes down and you can put a lot of stuff on it. And that came with the camper. It was built in, I think. And it's a Gray Wolf Forrest River, which is the best campers, I think. We like the Forrest Rivers. And there's outside lights here, and there's outside lights on the awning too. And there's your speakers for the outside. And you have plugs right here. Okay, I'll take you inside. Well, I thought the electricity was on in here, so hopefully it won't be too dark. I didn't realize hubby had turned it off. But here's your sink, kitchen sink, stove, oven, which we've never used. Your cabinets all underneath. More cabinets, drawers, overhead cabinets, microwave, and your fridge, which you need to keep your fridge open when it's not in use. And this is always plenty enough room for us. Okay, then over here is more storage. Right up in here. I can think of a few things. They should have, that's a deep cabinet. They should have made an opening to it from the outside. This is a smart TV. I mean, it's really smarter than us. more cabinets space right here, storage space rather. And then you have your storage under here. And on this side is a drawer. This is your slide right here where the table is. Of course, if you want to make this into a bed, you can. And the blinds. And the bath is back here. It's a bathtub shower unit. Toilet with a flush. And we always keep decon and things like that in the camper. You need to bomb it out every so often. It's a lot of storage. I always kept water in here because the very last thing I would do in the toilet was pour a little bit of water in it after we put the chemicals in. And this is a big storage unit right here. You can also hang clothing. And it's a good bit of storage in here. And that's where, that spot right there is where I always put my clothes basket for the dirty clothes. Then you have a wand for your shower, hand shower. Okay. And over here is your couch, which also will make into a bed if you wanted to. We never have because it's always just the two of us. And you can walk around this bed all the way on both sides, are identical. Storage. That's your tire spot, and you have your outlets and a couple hanging things. And the other side is the same. There is a curtain right here if you want to put it up for privacy. And the bed lifts, and then you have storage, plenty of storage underneath. And there's storage under the couch too. I'm not able to pick that up with one hand and do it. So here we are. I just thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough of this camper. It's really been a nice camper. I might end up changing my mind. But anyway, just letting you have a look at it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.